Basically all product, realizing that 30% of the product for our product line where a company I work is what we're really looking for. Looking to purchase L300 MW lathe. Found out a lot of nice things over at the other building on a tour, the cryogenics. That was extremely interesting. The machining's going on over there, the app store, which I'm going to visit shortly. Just the amazing, I used to run an Okuma 21 years ago. So the interesting part is I finally got my work believing in Okuma being a #1 brand. Okuma's quality, and it's nice to know where the company I work for, they're realizing it too. We're going to move forward with the better equipment, moving into the 21st century, and he believes in Okuma. Here we see thick constructed casted machinery, and I think from what I see, the people I've met here, the service, the backup, you guys value customers, you know, you're not, along with your service and the quality of the machine. We're trying to steal some of the work back from China, you know, so we need something to hold size. And the machine we're looking at, we're pretty much guaranteed that will hold size. You know, we're going to split a half a tenth, you know, half a thou. I seen an 84 over there rebuilt. Brought back memories. But like I said, I've been working for this company for 21 years, and we're finally going to move towards the quality side of things.
Is this your first time attending this event?
This is my second time attending this event.
And what did you come here to see this year?
I actually came here to see this machine because we've got a project with Infinity right now to rebuild an LC50 lathe.
What are you going to do with that rebuilt LC50?
Well, basically, we bought that machine 20 years ago. It's been in production for 20 years. And it's just time to rebuild and put it back into service doing the same exact thing it's been doing for 20 years.
Is it still holding tolerance as well?
It is at the moment, yes.
Is this a planning time of year for you and your colleagues?
This is our reactive time of year where we actually get money released to purchase things. So it's actually a spending time of year. The planning happened about a year ago.
So what do you see as some of the headlines for your company for 2015?
Well, basically production capacity expansion and I guess rebuild, reinvestment to maintain what we have today.
Do you use, I'm not sure if you do with this machine, Infinity Rebuild, they're a partner in THINC?
Yes. Yes, correct.
With any of the other, or first tell me what you and how does Infinity help you?
Well, Infinity helps us because I can have a machine rebuilt for about 60% the cost of new. And we've been real happy with Okuma's longevity and durability, so it just made sense financially to reinvest.
Is this the first time you've ever visited Okuma here in Charlotte?
Yes, it is.
And what did you come here to see?
Machines, specifically horizontals, because we're trying to increase productivity at our company.
Do you already have any Okumas in your shop?
A 4000 MB.
And what kind of other equipment would be useful to add to that?
Possibly a lathe, but we basically do a lot of mill work. So I'm looking to add 5 more Okumas with the retrofit pallet system. Well, the normally comes with 2 pallets. The retrofit on the front will make it a 6 pallet system.
So you're planning to add quite a bit of capacity, it sounds like.
Correct. We're trying to bring all the external components we make outside in-house. Yeah, because they've seen the results of the one machine, and we haven't even really got the true results because we're only running 2 pallets versus 6. So as soon as we start running the 6 pallet system, they're going to really see the results.
So were you familiar with Okuma before you bought your first
I've
one?
ran every machine out there, just about.
Why, and so which is your favorite?
Which is my favorite? I would say, being I'm here in Okuma, I would say Okuma.
It sounds like it, since you're picking them for your capital.
Well, it was basically a price thing. They were going to go with another manufacturer, and I was dead set against it. I told them, let me go out and get some bids, and I can get you something comparable, even better. And that's what I did. Actually, less than what they were looking for.
In addition to the shopping for the machines, did you look at any other technologies while you were here?
I just got done speaking with high pressure coolant. I'm looking at Mastercam X8 now. I talked to LNS. I've talked to quite a few people.
Did you go to the App Store at all?
I have gone there so I can get my machine set up to where we alarm out, sends it to my cell phone, and I can get up 2 o'clock in the morning to fix it.
Do you love that?
No, but I got to keep the machines running.
Well, it's better than sleeping with the machine, right?
Oh, that's pretty much what I'm doing now, so.
I've heard that from people, yeah. So are you going to get machine alert as soon as you go home?
Absolutely, yeah. We run 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Sometimes they don't catch it in time, and a machine sits for 2 hours before they realize it's a red light. If I get it set to my phone, I get to see what the problem is. I'm 5 minutes from work, go fix it, come back, go back to bed.
Okay, so Ethan, is this the first time you visited Okuma?
Yes.
And what did you come here to see?
Just explore our options, make our shop better, improvements. Probably the titanium over in the other Okuma building, the 12,500. It changes every day. It's hard to say. We are growing so fast, so it'll be interesting where next year has come. Technology improving. Just a lot going on. It's just hard to say. We got some Zoller products. We got Heimers. We're good with Edge, Qualicam, Kennametal, Iscar. So, been really good to work with them. So.
And have you seen some dramatic results?
Yes, we have. It's hard sometimes in our shop since we're growing so fast and just trying to keep up the demand and stuff. They've came a long ways, so I've seen a lot of improvement.
What did you come to see?
We came to see some of the different machining centers. We're working with Gosker on a project looking at LB 3000s and LTs. We didn't see any LTs, but we saw the LUs. And we saw some of the integrating components to go along with the system we're talking about with Gosker.
Sounds like you're pretty knowledgeable about Okuma. Do you have a lot in your shop already?
We have 0 Okumas in our shop right now. I work at an all-assembly plant, and this will be the first machining center that we put into place in our facility.
Have you picked one out then?
We have it narrowed down to the LT probably is where we're leaning towards right now.
And with some accessories from Partners and THINC?
Yes, we're working through Gosker for integration to have some LNS bar feeding and a blaze air that we saw some of the LNS equipment here, and the ABB robot that we saw paired with the Okuma cell on the other side.
So is this planning season for you at JLG?
It's planning season right now, yeah. We're hoping to get the capital submitted by January to start working for projects in September.
So what is your big push for 2015? What's your major goal for 2015?
Vertical integration is the big push for our facility. That is insourcing work that's currently done by outside suppliers. So we're looking to bring that work in-house, and getting an Okuma machining center is going to be a big opportunity for us to get some work in-house.
Is this your first time ever visiting Okuma in Charlotte?
No,
How many times have you been here?
2 times.
What did you come to look for this year at this event?
Some new technology. We're going to automate the factory. We've got a factory that's built in the 60s. It's still in the 80s, so we want to bring it up to speed. Some better automation with it.
So automation for your existing CNC machines?
Yeah, loading and unloading, part tending.
So you were really looking at the technology
Yes, ma'am.
Are there any other technologies you were looking at?
You know, the measuring, the probing, tooling, everything that's here we can utilize in our factory. We're stuck back in the 80s, so we can bring it back up to 2014, 2015.
Was there any technology that you saw here that really got you excited?
Well, I've been around the robotics for a while now. What they're doing with the Renishaw probe over there, and they can check the machine, that'll be very useful because I didn't know you could do that. Better productivity, bringing it into the modern age, definitely will. Because if we don't become more competitive, somebody else will be, and we'll be out of work. That's what I don't want to see happen. The business that we're in has been here since the 1930s when it started, and I want to keep it in the U.S.